Hello, Mia. Where we going?
Not for me.
Mia, where we going, Mia? Disney. Well, are we staying in where? Worldmark by Wyndham.
Actually, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Can I turn around? Start? Yeah, it's 30.
Nagpicture kayo dito na, sango na. Ijene, si Ijene, ayan da yung sapatos na. Go. You can go buy t-shirt if you want. There. Look at that. See, I have a picture with him. There.
Big.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, look where you're going. Anaheim Garden Walk. Oh, see, there's a garden there. It's a very nice garden.
Yeah, look at this very big garden.
See, look at all the flower.
Sabada na eh.
Is that really?
No,
Yeah.
it's no. Bird of paradise.
Hey, napili lang kayo sa eh.
Nene, paigit kayo. Yee-hoo. Oh, be careful, wet. Walk slowly, guys. It's wet. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Gracias. Humanitarian.
Humanitarian, yeah.
Been like that the whole time?
Yeah.
White House.
Anaheim White House Restaurant.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
There's the founders of our country.
Yeah.
Are they dead? Walt Disney.
Walt Disney, Anaheim.
It ends with him.
Yeah. We're close to the entrance to Disneyland. We are walking. Diba, titengatan?
Gadgetro.
I don't blame him, like Mexican food is delicious.
Oh, ini kan you.
Chicken! It's not chicken.
No, calamari.
I thought chicken.
The price of babae.
And get babae to lalaki.
You sing na happy. Ko naman na. Sing ka na si.
Happy birthday.
No.
To your anniversary.
Yeah. I think this is cheaper than eating there.
Yes. Big one.
Because if you're gonna eat there,
And there is a steak coming.
and what is it?
Mia's birthday.
Happy anniversary, mommy, daddy ko naman na.
It's their anniversary when they got married.
Yeah. Say
They got
happy
married
anniversary,
today.
mommy and daddy ko na.
Yeah, they got married on this today.
Yes.
What did they do when they
Yeah.
get married? Wala, naging nag-kiss lang.
Yeah, but they got
Mia.
born this day long time ago.
Long
But it's
time
still
ago,
today,
yeah.
like birthday. like birthday. You're not born like today.
That
but it's
today.
Still, but you're still birthday. It's still
Yeah.
birthday.
Yay. See?
Happy
See?
anniversary.
Go kiss mommy and daddy.
What is
Go.
that?
Go kiss mommy and daddy. Come on. Yeah, kuya.
Oh, yeah.
What did I do?
Na, go kiss daddy and mommy garudan. Both of you. Lain kayo na.
What did your mommy and daddy do?
What did
When
the mommy?
they married? They kiss?
Okay.
Yeah. Huh?
Mm.
Yaki.
Okay, what else do we have?
Steak.
Steak. Ooh,
Steak.
wow. Who is the cook? Daddy, right? Mm. Napintas mo ta. Nakuha. What you may call that?
Open this.
Mhm.
Open the box.
Yes. And this is
This
our
calamari. It's a squid.
squid. You cannot eat that.
I'll have some of the fries.
Ayun, kuna na yun. You're the cook.
Oh, they have the dip and squeeze.
Ah, this is our room. Oh my God, what a messy room. And hi, say hi now, Amia. Hi, happy anniversary, mommy and daddy. Kuna mo na. Can you say it? Hi, sus. Can I see? Oh, hi, sus. Hi, sus. Hi. Hi. Say one more.
This and then you just squeeze.
Hi.
And then you can eat.
We told them that it should be separate because you guys have allergies.
Oh,
Then, Mia,
wow.
come.
There go, Mia. Come on.
He's not yet hungry, mama.
Mama, damdama, mami. Oh. Not hungry. Are you gonna kiss mommy and daddy, Garot? Later? Go kiss, go kiss your daddy ka nun. Hindi ka nun. Kariring.
Kariring na kami.
Tidam-tadim sige ah.
Come back from swimming.
Ha? Ha?
Dunkin' DC.
What did you say?
And then, sa atay tumapanag mga lagi babatikwa. Happy hour.
Oh yeah, 4 o'clock. Happy hour. 4 o'clock.
Happy hour.
5
Ada niya.
Tinalpas.
Wala.
Cola. Naimas no libre. Takula-kula.
Cola.
Ado ko na.
Cheesecake Factory is the one of the hardest restaurants to get job.
Wala ito niya.
mango.
This is mango flavor. This is
Chocolate na?
like
Double pie or something?
It's Godiva.
Godiva. This
This
is
is
Chocolate.
Ano lagi may san? Godiva.
Dami coconut.
the coconut is the mango. And
This
then
is
this is
Hershey.
Hershey, and then that is pecan.
Some fries.
Plus extra bread with the fries
And
and
calamari.
calamari.
Pulutan, damdama.
Pulutan madamdama. And then
Plus-
busy, we're gonna have a
Plastic.
Ay,
steak.
napagkalat ice bag na wala.
Kailan na?
Yeah, where are you going?
Imas to si Nani Tatan. Nonsan. Well done, Jabagi ni ah.
Well,
Ako dua kami to kung papang ganyan ko, may isang magyak na sila ta.
Walking.
What are you having, CJ? Can you say hi on our video na?
Hi.
Hi! Today is what?
Mommy and Daddy's anniversary.
Say it nicely, ah.
Mommy and Daddy's anniversary.
So what you gonna say?
Happy anniversary,
Happy
Mommy and
birthday.
Daddy.
What about you, Mia? What you gonna say to mommy and daddy?
Oh, it's my birthday.
Oh, okay. It's your birthday. What about you, Papang?
Happy anniversary.
You can say mommy and daddy.
Oh, happy anniversary, mommy and daddy.
What about you? Can you say it?
No, I don't know.
Ah,
Pangit puyok.
Oh, pangit buyok. Ano na yun?
pangit buyok.
Ooh, look at that. Better than the restaurant, huh? Wow! Fly lies! Good, CJ. Say hi. Say hi. Ooh. Nag-shoutin ng mga ni CJ. Oh, good, CJ. May nga nung pa. What you gonna say? Hello, hello, welcome to our vlog. Today is our second day at Anaheim. And today we're celebrating Daddy and Mommy. How many years Daddy and Mommy?
60!
Oh my God! 16? Holy shoot! Can you imagine how old are you, CJ? 12. All right.
Why? Yeah, it's your birthday.
Oh. Yeah, it's your Mia's birthday too. Saan ito na po?
It's Mia's birthday!
Yes, it's Mia's birthday.